What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to apply colors effects made easy. So how to you make your photos look more professional on Canva, all into a simple and fast way, without needs of opening Photoshop, editing every single color or complicated things, okay? So Canva made it easy, and this is what I'm gonna learn on this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. After this, review the left side of menus on your Canva after adding the photo on your design, okay? So create the design to the size that you wish, apply the picture. Now review the left sidebar of menus, hover your mouse over apps, and into search, you're gonna type light slab, just like this. Here is the guide we're looking for, click on it. Now you must select the picture to start using, and you can enter the effects. You can change the main colors and main effects. There is some presets in the case that you want to play with. You can change some parts of the design, as you can see right here. You can change the main color. There is some other presets that you can play with. I really enjoyed this one, looks amazing. Then you can change the intensity, the distance, the radius. You can make you show the final image only or not, up to you, okay? You can change the color of this effect. There is some other presets that you can play with. This one looks fancy as well. All you have to do is click on save. And now the image turns a better one. Let's try to create a new one. I'm gonna upload a picture. Let me select a photo from Canva library. I think this one is fancy. Now, once again, go to app, type light slab, select the image. Now let's try to use another design. There is some nice styles, especially for person pictures. Maybe this one. Let's try it out. And here is the result we got, but we can change every single part in the case that I want. There is some truly different ones to play with, but I think this one it's almost like a perfect one. Let's save. And here is the result we got. We started into some default pictures and turned this into wonderful and once and only so more personal pictures designs, okay? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.